love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's not.
One of the advantages of being like living in the Caribbean is actually just taking up yourself and decide say you want to go to the beach. I can find a free beach. You can call one nigga up on the end of the dog. Or go on. But the beach I'm going to is the one right after Fort Clarence, and it's just 2 bills for going in. I had fish today. I'm going back and I'll be having lobster. I don't know if you guys know this one, but I love lobster. I love seafood in general. I'm definitely a seafood junkie. So I'm definitely a shrimp and lobster type of girl. Calamari. But I've never had caviar though. But I'm just letting y'all know right now that that's the type of girl. Look at my herpes. My nigga, oh, look at my herpes. I just look unsexy. I know, to be honest, even though the herpes makes me feel ugly, I'm kind of grateful to actually have the herpes. But I'm not like, I look good and blood cleanse. I look edible, although I'm not to eat. You know what I mean? I look like a nice man. Like on a day where you say, I'm hungry, I want a snack like when I have gas. Yeah, me, I want a nice cup of ginger tea. Yeah, I look good. And I've been through a lot of F-ray. What the Bible say, now come out smelling like smoke, though. How am I going to ride my whip now? And some of them I talk, I feel like people just watch me. But I'm not see my nigga, them same there tree now. You see man? You see them something there dangling in front town and the 2 bars catch you up by side, you know? Lie. God damn. Man, bro. Yo. Oh. This is scary to me. Like the water being that rough and then it just splash come up to like right here, so that shit's scary to me. Watch my herpes. Jesus, I guess that mentioned my herpes, you know. My herpes are on this blood cleanse, you know. Let me show you what I'm wearing. So my bathing suits are from Shop Kawaii Wear. If you're not wearing Shop Kawaii Wear, bitch, you're naked, ho. You're naked, baby. Okay, let me try and cut you up. Let me see. I need a good cut up. There we go. Bro, she just has like all, and I like when it comes up here because it kind of goes in my silhouette. It's just everything, guys. So nice.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Thank you, Gigi. Yeah, man. What should I? Oh, it's nice. You look so good. You look good. You shot me when I restore shot. This is yours, my love. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Is it okay? I'm at the mall now. I'm gonna go walk and go look for ear. Come on, buy. I remember the ear store there on the mall. Which side it depend the Chinese store? I can never remember. But I want to get the rotted clam. Should I walk the center? Alright, then I got the big ear China ear store. Cause the big China ear store I have more ear. I'm going to do the locks today. I'm really excited, but I wanted the color. I wanted the blonde, like white blonde, but I don't know if I can find that. not white blonde, then like burnt blonde. I don't know if I'm going to find it. Hi. Not much. Alright. It was my blood cleanse, but you know the blood sunscreen shots are both so full of blood sunscreen. I'm not gonna find the store now. Holy Spirit, help me. This is Aura Vibe. Yay! Aura Vibe. Let's hop in and say hi. Oh, they're not there? What time is it? Oh no, they're not there. Alright then. That's where I got my. I found the wrong beauty. Everything's supposed to be boom. Oh, them open. Thank you, Jesus. I'm only in the marks. My makeup today is effing fire. I love it. Good morning. Alright. Look at that. You have any Ghana twist? The locks them? No? What kind of locks you have? Eh? What kind of locks you have? No. I can get a discount, please. Come and have enough money. I want to get back $3,000 change. Well, I promise this goes through your mask. I don't like that. I mean, I try to repay our friendship. I don't like that. $3,000 change? How much money are those?
4,650.
Take off this rotted.
Why? After 150 for it.
150 feet?
Yeah.
I don't even know. Sorry.
See, I told you.
Sorry. We got the hair. Mission completed. And now we're going for the boys. And then I have to... Thank you very much. And then I have to go home. Thank you. I'm going home now. Which way is closer to the car park? I'm always lost in this place. I can never mall correct me. I can never put more mall correct me. Ever. Good, Papa lost of the rotted mall. Come off of the wrong side. Come off of the KFC side. End up on the mother's side. Oh, Father God. Alright guys, I'm delivering my pony today. My first customer is at the right here, so I'm waiting for her to come over here. I'm opening for come because you know one piece of time low, huh? And I can go on a pump on. So my one. Lord Jesus, baby. So come on, what the kids? I'm primary school, but guys. It's so nice. You're so friggin' pretty.
Thank you.
Jesus Christ, your body look good. Alright then, this is yours, baby. Alright then. Oh, you didn't get my WhatsApp? Yes. Alright then, baby. Yeah. Oh, wait.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche.
No, don't turn it down. I'm going for the boys now, you guys. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna carry them butter or something to go to school. Oh, yeah.
That's every 3 years you get 3 months off.
Oh, nice. It's just a cut now, which is cool. Still feels uncomfortable. So I brought my mask. I can put on my mask. I'm nervous about my hair. I don't know how it's going to look. I have something to tell you guys about being an influencer and the expectations. but I've seen her work, so I know her work going to look good. I'm talking about from an influencer's perspective, and I hope when I make the video I don't want to offend anybody, because I really want to let you guys know where it is like mentally, because I'm just start from there. It's because I'm used to wear like the wig and the expensive ear and stuff. But honestly feel that way if I buy cheap ear. And mistake. So anyway, I made a good no blood cleanse. I said, where have you the Remelax? Are the Remelax have you? You look Remelax-ish. Right, this one. Huge thank you to Kadian from Perfection Style 2. Thank you. She did an amazing job. You guys saw the hair that I used. I didn't take clips of the hair itself, and I just show like me just know somebody want my ear cheap enough for look like the locks, and the locks somebody want it look like it wasn't like this specifically, but this look came out beautifully. She did an amazing job, and her assistant, they're very, very talented. Highly recommend. And I mean a Portmore. Small time. Some look a baby head. I fight for life. I fight. I know some headphone tin. So no dollar for me tin. Guys, it looks like I'm bald, huh? But no, it's just because my hair from thin. And a whole heap. She put like an inch of hair, and it's still really, really thin. So I didn't initially like the curly suits, but I'm like, you know what, I could rock the curly suits for a couple of weeks, then cut them out and rock like a different lock look. The look is growing on me. I never did like it. I was like, but you know, she knows shadow, and I can always tug it, but no. It's like, yes, bitch, it's so me, and I love curly hair. And like the locks at the top, it's just so cool. And a cheap ear, guys, a 15 bills feet of blood cleanser, right now. Come on, I never know it's a good ear do them something here. I mean, cheaper do them something here. Can you imagine in photos? Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it, you guys. I love it, love it, love it.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought...
Hey guys, I'm going to wipe off my makeup. Look something to eat. I'll make soup. I'm gonna drink some soup and work on transferring these files so that we can edit them. So I'm editing the vlog. So I'll be vlogging mostly, but I still want to do tutorials because of the lashes, so that's a good thing. But I've been vlogging. So I just took off one lash, one digger lash. I actually like this phone to record. I'm loving how it records. So this is the only functionality I have for this device, how it records. And yes, that's how I remove my lash. Yes, it's painful. I know y'all saw that tug, that body movement. I'm gonna catch you know. Watch out, I'm gonna bring out the wrong cover. These are Kyra lashes. They are or subtle lashes. Hold on, let me get the cover. Alright, so I'm gonna eat my soup and just show the lash them. Oh, I took them off already. So these are the ones that I wore today. These are our Latoya lashes. These are my favorite ones. I love them. And of course all of them come with the box, and you can package them back in your box when they finish, so you keep them. And for all my customers, when I do your makeup, these are the lashes that I use, and you keep it. So all of my clients that are free pull me lash. I'm beaming, you guys. This style is called Kyra. This style I call Rakisha. Rakisha is nice, and it's also a nice dainty lash as well, not too much, but just adds a little bit of fullness right at the tip, so it wings out at the end. So this with a nice sort of smoky daytime eye, perfect wedding. This lash would be good for a nice subtle bridal wedding makeup look that will look absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and these ones are Kyra. Yeah, I spoke about these earlier on. Let's see, we have 3 more, but I only have 2 here. I have my set that I reuse and reuse because my lashes can be used a lot of times. So these ones are Verna Bro, Verna shocked me. Verna reminds me of Latoya, but Verna is fuller than Latoya. So bear that in mind. Similar to Latoya, but fuller. And these ones are Lindo. No, for Lindo, I'm gonna have to cut down Lindo because Lindo make my eyes look too big. So I'm gonna cut down. So with the Lindo, you see how you have like the little spaces there, the notches or whatever. So I cut off one already. So I cut off this one and this one from each lash. So I'm going to do a tutorial with it cut and let you guys know. So those are all my lashes, and not all. We'll have one more. So those are my lashes. They're not on my website for $6, or you can DM me on Instagram and I deliver them to you for $800. So there's an additional cost for delivery, which is $500 for the lashes. But if you're buying Pole Fitness and lashes, you don't have to pay to deliver costs. You pay one. I'm having a headache. I need to eat something. I'm going to continue to take off my makeup and upload videos to YouTube. Thank you again for your support, you guys. What is that?
I like your hair.
You're lying because a while ago you said never like my hair. They hear them say never like my hair, right? Jonathan them say it ugly so many times.
Well, only two.
It was two more than it should have been.
I need Man, look at the bumps I had on my leg.
Let me see.
They were so big.
Oh, Jesus.
Let me show you how big they were. They were big as this one.
Jonathan, stop put the thing on my face and show me where your bump them look like. I don't want you to see.
Right, excuse that. Mom, this is how my bumps are now because I don't scratch them.
Oh, that's
so
true.
This and this.
Is what, mosquito bites?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mr. Mommy, mosquito bite me wrong about 6 times.
Okay.
Wait, you're showing your actual hair?
Yeah. Jalila like my hair now?
Yeah.
You like it now? Because when he came in, he said never like my hair. That's what he said.
It looked a lot cute.
It looked cute. It looked cuter than what it looked like before. So maybe I shouldn't have it up like that.
No.
I should keep it like this.
Yeah.
Oh,
How
shit.
people think like you're Keisha, they know to burn up the dance floor.
People think I'm Keisha and I'm going to burn up the dance floor. What you mean?
Yeah, because the hair is shaped like a Keisha hair.
Like a Keisha hair?
Yeah.
I'm honored. I know a very strong woman called Keisha. I wish I was as strong as her.
Yeah.
I love you boys. You know that, right?
Dang it.
I love you boys. You know that, right?
Shadow, lightning.
Oh, you want to tell them about your superpower thing? Alright, go
Shadow,
ahead.
lightning.
So tell them what it is. Explain to them. They need to know.
Black is shadow. Yellow is lightning.
So why black? Why black for shadow and why yellow for lightning?
Because shadow is black and and some lightning are yellow. Like for Zeus lightning,
Yeah.
for the goddess of lightning, his lightning is yellow.
Okay, the goddess of lightning. His lightning. Okay. Zeus. No, Zeus is not a goddess. Zeus would be a god, not a goddess. Goddesses are women. Yeah, so Zeus would be a
So
god.
he's one of the strongest.
Okay.
But I think
And then his son is Hercules.
yeah.
I have something to tell you about that. You know that story is similar to like Jesus and God. So like God would be Zeus and like Jesus would be Hercules, like the strong powers and stuff. That's how I see that story sometimes.
Oh, you come against me, Juliet, and I fight you. Hiya! Jalil, I will kill you. Hiya! What the? Jalil, you don't know me.
I will summon the power of the sun.
Jalil, fight! Jalil, try fight and stop. Jalil, fight! Come, Jalil. Come, Jalil. Yeah, Jalil. Go on, Jalil. Go free, my boy. Make blouse and skirt. Jonathan, take time. Remember, same side, can grow back. I cannot do that to him body, Papa. Jonathan said,
What's Jalil still a fight after him alone? He's with that in Call of Duty.
No. Don't you dare put that down and go for a gun.
Hey, what?
I'm serious. That is, Mama explain. That they can juke him with a gun or just a finger. That I mean.
I got my
Not
gun.
like me look like a bad mother. Mama explain something too now.
Give me all your... Yes, I can shoot you.
No, don't shoot me on camera. They're going to say my bad mother. I'm like have this ramp. I love you and hug you up.
Come fight now.
Jesus Christ, Jonathan, you're too rough.
Jalil, you have to fight yourself. Yeah. Good job. Oh, you see that Jalil in box off the bullet off for that, you know. Jalil have to do some karate things and shoot him with the gun with the karate gun. Go, do the karate thing. Yeah. Ramp rough. I mean, how you look? Oh, strong. Oh, don't lift up your clothes on camera like that. Okay?
Hey, give me all your money.
No!
If a bottom of us said no.
Why don't you use this belt on you? Instead of a drunk.
Please.